Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sales promotion in UI element. So salespeople can create and manage the promotion that offers discount based on their specific condition. After creating a promotion, it can be used in other application that wants to be leverage promotion in their pages. So as a sales administrator, you can create promotions, you can view and edit the promotion details and attributes, you can view a list of the promotions, you search for the promotion, and you can copy the promotions. And as an administrator, you can import a promotion and create and update the promotion using Oracle import. So let's move on to the application and see how to enable the sales promotion in UI element. So this is the homepage of the Oracle Fusion application. Let's click on this navigator. Click on this navigator. Click on sales. So in the sales part, you can see over here, there is no any option, there is no any tab related to sales promotion. So I'm going to enable it in the sales part. So let's scroll down and go to the configuration part. So in the configuration, click on these sandboxes. So in order to enable the sales promotion tab, you have to create a sandbox. So let's create a sandbox by clicking on this create sandbox button. Let's enter the name of the sandbox. I'm going to enter BISP underscore promotions. Now I'm going to select tools for this sandbox. So I'm select application composer as well as structure. Now click on this create and enter. It will take few seconds to complete this process. So wait for a while. So you can see the sandbox gets created. Now click on this navigator and scroll down. In configuration part, click on this structure. So this is the navigator configuration part. So click on this expand button for cells. So I'm going to expand it. So in sales part, we have to click on promotion. So this is the promotions. I click on these promotions. In the edit page of this promotion, we have to enable the show on navigator option. So in the show on navigator option, we have to click on this yes, and we have also select yes for show on Springboard. So I'm going to select yes. So for both show on navigator as well as show on Springboard, we have to select yes. Now click on this save and close. Let's test the changes we made earlier. So click on this navigator. Click on cells. So in the sales part, you can see over here the promotion tab, the promotion option gets enabled over here. So click on that and you can enter in the promotion part. So this is the promotion page. So in this page, you can see the list of the the list of the promotion. You can create a promotion over here by clicking this icon, this button, create a promotion button, and this is the promotion page. Now this is how you can enable the promotion tab, promotion option in the UI. So my last step is publish this sandbox. Click yes. Click on this publish button. Click yes. The current status for this sandbox is publishing. So the current status is published now. So this is the whole process to enable the promotion on the UI. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.